Hello everyone, this is Esther. Welcome back to our lighting production line. Today I will introduce our exclusive product, LED X Modular. Let's see what's special about it. Firstly, the finished product size is 960 by 40 by 25 mm, including 6 pieces. Single size is 150 by 40 by 25 mm. Second, modular structure design, adjustable to various bend angles, such as arcs, lights, artistic waves. Thirdly, single-point, single-control technology, high pixel density, clear and more delicate dynamic imaging. Fourth, easy maintenance. Single ball failure only requires replacement of corresponding module, effectively reducing later usage costs. Fifth, screw hole design can be fixed on the wall, and flexible combination can be disassembled and assembled in different lengths to adapt to different places. Suitable for various scenarios such as clubs, bars, KTVs, shopping malls, and hotel lobbies.